Hey everyone, this is a video review on writing a given chord progression in a major key, and this is for written assignment number 3. So here I have the same exact progression, but I'm doing the example in B flat major to show you how I would approach this. And as you do it on your own, please also be sure to describe the steps that someone else can follow so that they can write out the progression themselves. I really am interested in seeing how you write this out in your own words. So take a look at this video and see if it gives you any ideas of how you can write these steps down on your own. Okay, so notice that we're in B flat major, and I've already put down the key signature here, 2 flats, okay? And the way that I would do this, the way I would put these chords down is, let's just put the complete triad, or 7th chord, the complete chord on the right hand of the piano on the treble clef, okay, for all of them. And then we'll worry about the inversions later. And you can do this any way you want, but the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to put the complete chord in the treble clef. So in B flat major, with the 1 chord, it's a triad built on scale degree 1, which is B flat, okay? And for this triad, we're just building a third above the B flat, which is a D. That's it. And then a third above that, which is an F. Okay, so that's the triad, B flat major triad. And that is the same also at the end here, also B flat D F. Okay, next, let's put down the chords for the 6th chord. The 6th chord starts on the, it's built on the 6th scale degree, which is G. Okay, and then you just build a chord on that, which is a third above B flat, and then another third above, which is D. Okay, so that's the 6th chord. That's a minor chord. Okay, next we have the 2 chord, also minor, and it's built on scale degree 2, which is C. Okay, and then you're gonna do a third above, which is, which is E flat, and then another third above, which is G. Okay, and finally we have the 5/7 chord, which is built on scale degree 5. So you'll start with scale degree 5, which is in B flat major, it's F. Okay, and then you're just going to build the 7th chord on top of that. So a third above is an A, another third above is C, and then another third above is E flat. That's it. Okay, so let's now look at the inversions. All of these chords are in root position except for 2/6. Okay, so we'll talk about that in a little bit. But for all the other ones, okay, they're all in root position. They're not inverted in any way. So let's just put the root down in the bass, okay? So the root for the 1 chord is B flat, also here, okay? And then the root for the 6th chord is a G, and the root for the 5/7 chord is an F. So I'll use this F, okay? Now, the little number superscript 6 that you see next to the 2, okay, that means that this chord is in first inversion, okay, so which means the third is in the bass. So I have the complete triad on top now, so I just need to put the third of the chord in the bass, which in this case is E flat. So I'm going to put that down. Okay, and that's it. So that's 1-6-2-6-5-7-1 in B flat major. Please double check to make sure you have the correct notes, that you're building these chords in the correct note, correct scale degree of the given major key. And then also be sure you put the 2 chord, okay, in first inversion.